Hey family, welcome to Asedo's kitchen. In this video, I'm building layers of flavor with sautéed aromatics, chicken and vegetables to create a delicious stew that tastes like it's been simmering all day. Check the description box for the ingredient list and follow these simple steps. I heat some oil and fry the onions until they turn golden brown. Once the onions are browned to my liking, I add the tomatoes followed by black pepper, cinnamon stick, vegeta, coriander powder, curry powder and ginger. I mix for a minute or until the spices are fragrant, then add water and tomato paste. I stir to combine and cook it for 15 minutes to soften the onions and tomatoes. I discard the cinnamon stick and blend the onions into a puree and add the chicken. The onions will form the velvety stew base. I let it cook on medium while I chop some potatoes. After 10 minutes, I add the potatoes, cumin powder and garlic, mix to combine and let it cook on medium for 10 minutes. At this point, I add peas and capsicums. I stir to combine, bring it to a boil and let it simmer on low for 5 minutes. Our stew is now ready and the aroma in the kitchen is so good. I check for salt and seasoning. Adjust salt to taste and let it cook for a minute before turning the heat off. This can be served with rice, kisra or chapati. We had it with bread rolls and it was super delicious. However, feel free to pair it with any staple of your choice. If you like this video and enjoy simple recipes, kindly subscribe, like, comment down below and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.